Let's break down the differences between the PetSafe and the PetSnowy automatic litter boxes. Now, I was gifted the PetSnowy for a review, but my opinions are my own. Let's get into it. Now, the PetSnowy, as you can see, has a tiny footprint. This is without question the most attractive automatic litter box I've come across with the smallest footprint. Whereas the PetSnowy is also an attractive box, but it is the largest automatic cat box I have come across. Now, they both have drums that spin and then sieve the litter into a drawer below. The PetSnowy has a decently large drawer underneath it with a space to add a deodorizer. And the PetSnowy also has a huge drum that spins and dumps into a drawer below. And neither of these are for the extra large cats or the timid cats. Because of their design, they're really for those cats that have no issue going into litter boxes. I have one cat that doesn't care at all and will go into any automatic litter box I set up. I have another cat that is a 15-pound ragdoll, and he is very picky about the litter boxes he uses, and he won't touch either of these. So think about your cat's personality and size before considering these boxes. But if you think your cat will use these, I love both of these for completely different reasons. I love how good the PetSafe looks. This is a box that I am comfortable putting in my living room, and I love how simple it is. It's a very clean functioning box. Everything is in this drum, the drawer is really simple, and the deodorizer smells really quite good and keeps everything fresh and clean. My only issues with it is that it is pretty limited on features. This is a brass tacks automatic box, and its app is also the simplest app of all the apps I have used. And because of its design, litter just kind of sprays out from it. So it definitely requires a little more litter cleaning depending on how messy your cat is. Now, I wish the PetSnowy wasn't just so big, but it is large for good reason. This packs in so many features and is definitely one of those boxes you can set and forget. Not only does it have the really nice enclosed drum, so you can push this up against a wall without stopping the drum from moving, whereas this one you do have to be careful about how close it is against a wall or a piece of furniture. But then it has this built-in litter catch, and so litter is not coming out of it and getting really messy. And then it actually has a built-in fan. And not only is this piece smartly replaceable just in case, but it also has a place where you can add a special PetSnowy deodorizer. They have quite a variety of inviting scents that you can put in this. And because it has so many features, the PetSnowy app, without question, gives you the most control. Not only will it keep track of each cat individually and even notify you if one of your cats is in the box too long or if there's any other concerns, it will let you know. But you have full control over when it spins, if it spins manually or automatically, when it deodorizes, how long it deodorizes. You can also use it as a room freshener to just have it blow its fresh scent into the space, and a lot of its smells really are that good. Now, having an automatic litter box has been game-changing for me. I can't imagine going back to a manual box, and my introduction to automatic boxes was this PetSnowy, and I have loved it so much. It is a fantastic high-quality box. But I just got the PetSafe box, and what I really love about this one is its tiny footprint. It's really great to fit into smaller spaces. Overall, these are both great boxes. So if you have the space and want all the features, the PetSnowy is the one for you. But if you have a smaller space and don't care about all the extra bells and whistles, the PetSmart is a beauty. I highly recommend either one.